Unleashed, 2025 BMW M4 Competition, Fury forged in German fire. Dawn fractures the horizon like shattered glass, and from the urban abyss emerges the 2025 BMW M4 Competition, a predatory coupe that devours light itself. Its exterior is raw, unapologetic menace, 189.1 inches of coiled ferocity, hunkered low at 54.8 inches tall, wheelbase stretched to 112.2 inches for unyielding poise. The prow snarls with vertical kidney grills, blacked out and monolithic, flanked by laser-thin adaptive LED headlights that slice fog like surgical blades. Aerodynamic wizardry reigns. A carbon fiber hood vents heat from the beast within, wide haunches flare over 19-inch front and 20-inch rear. Staggered alloys shod in 275/35 R19 and 285/30 R20 Pirellis, gripping tarmac with talons of rubber. Flush door handles vanish into shadow, the greenhouse tapers to a carbon roof that slashes weight and center of gravity, while rear flanks bulge with muscular intent, quad black chrome exhausts exhaling symphonic rage. Dravit gray metallic paint gleams like molten steel, optional frozen Portimo blue frozen matte evoking glacial fury, shadowline trim devours shine, M badges etched in defiance. Ground clearance? A scant 4.8 inches, but with M adaptive suspension, it dances over crests, hunkers for assault. This shell isn't beauty, it's weaponry, 3,803 pounds of aerodynamic heresy, drag coefficient of 0.32, turning every mile into conquest. Cross the threshold, and the cockpit clamps like a vice of velvet and venom. Driver-centric to the marrow, the 2025 M4 Competition's interior is a neural interface for speed demons. Merino leather in black or cognac wraps carbon-backed M Sport seats, 14-way power adjustable with heating, ventilation, and sculpted bolsters that lock you in for the fray. Alcantara accents the flat-bottom M leather steering wheel, thumb grips etched for precision in chaos. The dash sweeps in minimalist aggression, open-pore ash wood or carbon fiber trim veiling Tex Pulse. At the core, iDrive 8.5's curved panorama display fuses a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and 14.9-inch central touchscreen, haptic feedback sharp as a stiletto, wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto syncing your empire. Below, M-specific gauges throb, tachometer redlines at 7,200 revolutions per minute, boost meter spikes like a predator's heart. Ambient lighting in 9 hues bathes the expanse, head-up display projects apex speeds onto the glass. Rear seats? Hinted at, 4.2, folding flat to unleash 12 cubic feet cargo, expanding to 44.8, vault for spoils, not souls. Headroom pinches at 38.7 inches front, 36.6 rear, legroom 41.8/34.7. Air purification whispers purity, Harman Kardon 16-speaker symphony, 770 watts, thunders bass that vibrates ribs. This lair isn't comfort, it's command, where every switch, every seam, forges man and machine into singularity. But ignition cracks the veil. Enter the S58 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-6, M's dark sacrament. In the competition coupe, it erupts with 503 horsepower at 6,250 revolutions per minute, 479 lb-ft torque cresting at 2,750 revolutions per minute, mild hybrid whispers from a 48V system smoothing the Savage. For X-Drive variants, Fury amplifies to 523 horsepower, same torque torrent, all channeled through an 8-speed M-Steptronic automatic with drive logic paddles, shifts lightning fast, launch control catapults like divine wrath. Base M4 offers a 6-speed manual with 473 horsepower, but competition demands the auto's precision. Fuel? Premium unleaded, 15.6-gallon tank sips 16/23 mpg city/highway, thirst quenched in 4.3 seconds flat for a full roar. Twin intercoolers chill the storm, Valvetronic breathes efficiency into chaos, torque peaks early for instant lunge. No V8 thunder here, just surgical, seamless apocalypse. Performance? Apotheosis. Rear-wheel drive in the competition coupe blitzes 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds, quarter mile in 12.0 at 122 miles per hour, top speed leashed to 155 miles per hour with M driver's package. X-Drive unleashes 3.4 seconds to 60, 11.9 quarter, all-wheel grip vectoring torque like a